Hey, what's up everybody? So mostly I sell on Amazon full-time, but this past week I've listed some stuff on eBay to try to sell. So I listed some personal clothing, some stuff that I got returned from Amazon, some stuff I couldn't sell on Amazon, and so I listed that stuff on eBay and I sold some of it. So here's some of the items I sold. I'm just going to show them to you right now, and I'll tell you what I sold them for and what I think I paid, and we'll see what happens. So these are some of the items I sold. I got this 64 tricolor combo pack of HP ink, this 564 black ink XL, and then I sold these two together, this 564 cyan and yellow, both XL. Sold this pack for 10 bucks free shipping. Sold black ink for 10 bucks free shipping. I sold this for 10 bucks free shipping as well. And then I sold this PC game, Torrance Passage. I also sold this for 10 bucks free shipping. I think I can ship it for 3 or 4 bucks. So I don't think I really paid very much for this stuff. Like I said earlier, a lot of it was just returns from Amazon, so it was free money for me. I was just going to take it to a local auction and see what it brought. But I like the eBay method better. And I also bought a DVD set. So I bought a bunch of video games in a box at a local auction, and I bought it for 2 Silent Hill games that were in there. So since Silent Hill is worth 20 bucks a piece, so I paid $20 for those 2 games. And in the box there was also a DVD set, and I'll show you an image or a screenshot or something of what I sold it for. I sold it for $80 with free shipping, and it's just a 2 DVD set. It's an anime set. So I'll show you an image right now, and I'll see everybody later.